Hello Bladers. One of the main essentials in driving safely is having a clean headlight. Headlights are made of materials that fades in time, and the longer it hasn't been restored, the dimmer the light will be. Cars parked outside are usually the ones who are more prone to having headlight than cars parked indoors due to exposure to air pollution and sunlight. To help you with that, here are the tips for your car headlight restorer. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Headlight restorers under PHP 1000. Number 1. Turtle Wax Renew Headlight Cleaner and Sealant. Turtle Wax Renew Headlight Cleaner and Sealant T43 restores your headlight to a brand new condition while improving overall clarity. It removes oxidation and yellowing. Number 2. Microtex Glass Blinks Headlight Restorer. Microtex Glass Headlight Restorer deeply cleanses lenses, removes unwanted stains and minor imperfections, and eliminates haze and discoloration. Number 3. Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer. Prolong your headlight lens life with this product. It has a lens-based coat and a sealing wipe system that protects your headlight. It also removes medium oxidation and yellowing that improve your car headlight performance. Number 4. Rain X Headlight Restorer. Remove your headlight's haze and discoloration while improving its lenses. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.